Well, this is a good monsoon rain here. It's pouring. As you can see. I'm not sure what the rate is at. I would guess, I don't know, 3-4 inch per hour. It shouldn't last long though. It's usually 10, 15 minutes, sometimes 30. But yeah, people think, you know, monsoon season, you can't go anyplace, do anything. It's not like that. It'll rain once or twice a day for a little while, and then it's gone and nice sunny again. Anyways, oh, and it's raining heavy enough right now. My Starlink is pretty much down, okay? And needless to say, I'm not generating any solar power. This is only like my second real Starlink outage I've noticed in the last 9 weeks. So this is a pretty heavy rainstorm. It's yeah. See ya.